story time. Alright, I have yanked up the big perennial arugula. But like, as you can see, right, there's some, here's some. If you ever wondered why I've been trying to tell myself to cut those flowers back, like, that's why. All of those are perennial arugula seedlings, and if I don't get them up, there'll be a massive patch of them here later that I'll have to deal with. So I'm trying to do that today. Probably, completely realize that I have failed to do this in time, and I will have a field of them here, I'm sure. But just in case you're wondering, henbit, edible spring green, chickweed, also an edible spring green. Oh, and they knocked over my little flower. I'll put you right here. Okay. Violets, I don't know if you can see, that's better. My violets, those are an edible spring green. The leeks are coming up. You can kind of see some of the leeks coming up. Those are edible spring green. So in my climate, and honestly in most of yours, pretty high up, you can have perennial arugula growing even in the winter. Violets will grow in pretty cold weather. I've seen them just stick around through teens, low teens. Chickweed, I can't get that thing to die. I've tried. Chickweed will grow in the snow, guys. So hunger gap is real, but also spring greens are real, or late winter, I guess is what we'll call them. Early winter, late winter greens. Now, am I weeding all of this up? Yes, because I don't want to deal with it. And also there is some stonecrop. I don't remember the name of this one, but it's commonly put along graves, if I remember correctly, but it is edible. And it grows, I just kind of have it out in the paths. I shouldn't have pulled that up, but I try to keep that growing in the paths, but it has 100% made its way in here so hard because my chickens got in this summer and they just spread it everywhere. Like, I can see mats of it. You can probably see mats of it, like all right there. That's, yeah. So anyway, we'll see how much cleaning I get done. The stonecrop may just have to stay. That may just have to be my ground cover back here. And maybe it will prevent more chickweed and stuff from growing, because as I'm looking at it, like, it's literally made just a whole mat in so many of these areas. Like, you maybe can't tell because there's a bunch of leaves kind of interspersed, but it is like solid green. Yeah, so I think I'm going to make myself okay with having basically just a stonecrop ground cover. The roots are shallow. It persists in winter and summer around here. It is edible if I get super desperate. They're kind of slimy. It's kind of slimy, so I don't love it. But also the Florida betony is coming back in force. So I have all the edible ground cover weed things. But do I eat these on the regular? No. Would I eat these if I was hungry? Yes. Is it nice to have a ground cover in a very hot climate like mine that could persist even in the heat of summer? 100%. So yeah, we'll keep it. Do I love it? No, I don't. Am I at least going to try and get the chickweed and the henbit out? Yes, because those really are in my lawn, and they go to seed. I don't feel like dealing with them. The best I can say for the stonecrop and the Florida betony is it stays pretty low. And I see my chickweed get like 12, 13 inches high. Like, it loves it here. So anyway, guys, just wanted to share with you. The bees need flowers, but maybe don't leave them as late as I did. I will 100% have a patch of perennial arugula here if I don't keep it cleaned out. And I may let that happen because life is too short for me to sit here and fuss with this that long, especially if it's edible and it's in my edible perennial garden. So there we go.